guys, I am favouritepixels and how to create a fire text effect in Photoshop. Let's get started now. The first for create you select your pen tool. Oh my bad. Con- Control T and use your name. And it select your name. That's my favorite meme channel is favouritepixels, so I create your favorite. Please guys subscribe on favouritepixels and please photo for me anytime and thank you for guys voting for anything. Just I FAP control FAP.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
Click OK and go to Control P shift drag on layer object and
Make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something
click OK
rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself
and once again T press T select to object and check your blur my bad bold sample click OK and normal click OK and copy the there smart object convert to smart object click OK and press E and go to press L E right click my bad guys, I'm sorry. Shift and right click make work pen click OK shift tone length 2% click OK go to blur render frame click OK
Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are
click OK
you're inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Control Shift plus
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play
Control
tough
D
and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
control back paste go to back and again to go to blur render film click OK check your opacity and low white frame click
going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind
Click OK.
I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Please guys follow on favorite pixel and follow on subscribe on Control E, Control Enter, my bad, Control Enter and Control delete the layer and create you file impact text. So first of all, thank you guys. Subscribe on favorite pixel and follow on Instagram, Facebook, and please guys complete your 500 subscribers. And thank you guys. Love you guys. And after after before after before the first four control shift E